USB-C has become a universally accepted standard. So we're bringing USB-C to iPhone 15.
In Europe, they forced the standard of USB-C. So Apple was going to have to do that for at least the European. But the decision, of course, was, well, if you're going to do it for Europe, you do it for the rest of the world, in which most of the world has already shifted over to USB-C. So this was just a natural progression.
In titanium for a durable, light, and stunning finish. With the new A17 Pro, the fastest chip ever in a smartphone, a customizable action button, and our most pro camera system yet, featuring a 5x telephoto camera. These are the best and most capable iPhones we've ever made.
The spatial camera to allow you to the eventual 3D images, that's a great new feature. I would suspect that if you drill down a bit more, the most important thing was the new GPU.
The iPhone 15 Pro will start at the same price as last year, $999. An iPhone 15 Pro Max featuring the new 5x telephoto camera will start at $1199 with 256 gigabytes of storage.
Consumers need to really be aware of going to their Verizon's, AT&T's, T-Mobile's, and being able to turn in an old phone and get at least $1,000 up to maybe $1,200 discount so that the new iPhone is going to be marginal in the context of a cost.